Hey everybody, my name is Chris Bystedt. I'm at Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon, and I'm really excited to show you one of the coolest trailers we've got on the property right now. It's a 2021 Catalina 33R ETS. This trailer is really cool. It's got a great floor plan. One of the things I was going to let you know about it that's really exciting before we take a look on the inside is that when the awning comes out, it's got LED lights and you can change the color on them, which is really neat. And one of the most beautiful things is seeing this at nighttime all lit up. And this is of course where you have your whole setup with your table and your chairs and everything under this big power awning. Also, this is equipped with optional solar panel, so it's always charging in the sun, which is pretty cool. That comes with it as well, so it's a real extra perk. I think you're going to love the inside of this thing. It's got a ton of options. It's really cool. Let's go take a look. This trailer has got an amazing floor plan, and for folks that are looking for something a little bit larger, that they can actually have a few people over and enjoy a little bit of entertaining inside the galley area. It's really set up beautifully for that. So what you're going to notice when you walk in is you're going to see, instead of a booth dinette, which is typical in trailers, you're going to see it's got a table and 4 chairs, a little more home-like. It has a beautiful little kitchen, and it doesn't have what is a true peninsula or an island. It's actually attached and wraps around to give you more counter space. Big, huge, deep sinks. You can use the larger pots and skillets and things like that. It's got a sprayer, a beautiful cook stove. This is not your typical Coleman style camp stove. It's a little more residential. It's really a nice 3-burner stove with oven. It's got the cooktop that peels back so you can put stuff on top of it when it's cool for extra counter space, and then it works as a beautiful backsplash for you when you're cooking. It's got a fan and a hood and some extra storage over top, and even an extra pot and pan drawer underneath, which is something you don't see very often. Very nice. You've got a nice microwave. You've got a Norcold 8 cubic foot fridge freezer. Beautiful little kitchen area with the dining all set up, and then the living area. That's what people really love about this. Thomas Paine recliners and a really nice comfortable sofa that pulls out into a bed, so if you have to sleep a few guests, you can definitely do that in comfort. This is a rear living layout, but your entertainment is in the back with 2 beautiful windows on each side of it, and extra storage all around. And so you've got a really nice 40-inch entertainment TV with built-in sound bar. It's HDMI, Bluetooth, FM radio. It's got charging, and underneath that is a gorgeous electric fireplace. So what this is really great for is when you are camped someplace and you're paying to park there, you can actually heat this trailer really nicely using this beautiful electric fireplace, and you're not having to use your propane, and you're using the electric that comes with your prepaid fee that when you're staying at the lot, or if you're on the side of your house or plugged into a generator. All those 3 things make it work. But, you know, I'd have to say, but wait, there's more. And what I talk about there's more is when you go into the master bedroom, you're going to see that there's not only one of these electric fireplaces, there's 2. There's one in the bedroom as well, which is fantastic. Big, beautiful bedroom and a slide, tons of space for all your clothes and shoes and things that you need to bring. And when you open this door to the closet, it can serve as a full functioning closet and give you tons of storage there. Or it does have washer and dryer hookups. So if you wanted to purchase either an all-in-one or a stackable washer dryer, you could put that in this place, which makes this a really ideal trailer for long camping trips or extended stay use. In the bathroom, you're going to notice a beautiful counter shower. It's plenty spacious and big enough. You know, for a trailer this size, this trailer has so many things to offer. I think it would be really an excellent trailer for maybe a couple that likes to get away and bring a few grandkids with them once in a while, but wants a lot of moving around space. So as you see, this is an amazing trailer. I think it would be really awesome for you. I would love to show it to you and help you with a purchase if you would give me a call. My name is Chris Beisted. You can call me at 541-636-7878. Give me a call while we still have this. Maybe we can get it on the back of your truck quickly.